Hello students, in this video we will discuss the last part of chapter 3, what is government, of class 6 civics from NCERT. First I want to discuss that why is government necessary. Then government, when people live and work together, some order is needed so that everything functions smoothly. Rules have to be made which are applicable to all. Life and property of people and boundaries of country need protections. Countries' resources have to be managed for people's welfare. Okay. Now I want to discuss about that there are 3 levels of the government, and the levels are 3 levels of the government are: first one is national or central level, second one is state level, and third one is local level. Then national level means national government is in Delhi and runs the entire country, and state level includes the area of the respective state, deals with matters of importance to entire state, and the local level, villages, block and districts are looked after by the rural local government, and towns, cities and metros are looked after by the urban local government. Okay, means there are 3 levels of the government is national, state and local level. Now next one is types of government. There are 3 types of government: democracy, monarchy and dictatorship. Democracy means people elect the government by casting vote. People have the ultimate power to govern themselves. Government is responsible for its actions to the people. Such governments work for people's welfare. For example, India, USA, UK. Okay. And next one is monarchy. Means monarchy is a hereditary form in which the king or queen inherits the throne from their father or mother. The monarch is assisted by a small group of people, but his decisions is final. Monarchs do not have to explain their actions to anyone, and the king or queen makes laws, take decisions to run the government. Example, UK and Bhutan. Now third one is dictatorship. Dictators capture power by force and violence, and power is in the hands of a person or a small group. Dictators are not answerable to anyone. People who challenge a dictator are punished, and the government rarely gives freedom to the people. Okay. Now next one is what is democratic government? The governance in which people vote for their leader directly through election process as their representatives to form the government is called the democratic government. Okay. And again, what was the demand of suffragette? Means what is the suffragette movement? Means the women in USA and in other European countries were not having right to vote even after countries were free. Their suffragette demanding right to vote was called suffragette. Okay. Now again we will discuss about the universal adult franchise. Means universal adult franchise means the right to vote is called the suffrage or the franchise. In India, we have universal adult franchise, which means that all adult citizens 18 years or above, irrespective of caste, creed, color, gender or education, have the right to vote. A country cannot call itself a democratic unless it has adopted universal adult franchise. Okay, means these are some important points of this chapter, and now this chapter is over. Okay, in next video we will discuss about the some objectives and question answer of this chapter. Thank you.